The GR Youth Mask I've placed in the preserve part of your skin routine, perfect for plumping and hydrating. So first we prepare the skin, so complete step 1, which would be to cleanse and clean and cleanse, and then exfoliate as we would normally do as part of preparation phase. Then add your targeted serums and boosters as we would do normally. Boosters first there, 2 pumps, and then apply a serum with just 1 pump. So apply that onto that. That's nice, yes. 1 pump, thanks Jen, lovely, get that done. And then we apply the mask. So a nice big dollop, and then we just massage that on gently. Now this is a beautiful thick cream, shea butter and Babassu oil. It's delightful, perfect for sensitive all the way up to very oily skin. It's a real joy. And you just leave it on for say up to 20 minutes, have a cup of coffee, do some housework, do as you wish when you do a mask. And then what we need to then start doing is to remove it. I use the usual dampened cotton pad and just sort of wipe it off gently, and it comes off in the pad and leaves your skin feeling delightfully hydrated and quite glowing, very radiant. And then to sort of finish the routine, all you need to do is apply your normal creams. So I've just demonstrated your 1 day cream here, but if you were going outside, obviously add your SPF. And that's it, the GR Youth Mask, delightful addition.